Hi, I'm Gerard Koolen, and today I'm diving into the fifth major step in successful recruitment: effectively handling your candidates. This step, along with 7 others, is crucial in determining your success as a recruiter. These 8 steps dominate the level of your success more than anything else in recruitment. One of the biggest issues in the recruitment world today is how candidates are treated. Too often, recruiters ghost candidates, ignoring them after they've served their immediate purpose. No returned calls, no responses to emails, just silence. It's a huge problem, and yet many in our industry don't see it as such. But let me tell you, this behavior not only damages your reputation, but also hurts your long-term success. Now, I understand that most recruiters care about their candidates, but simply lack the time to maintain communication. That's where having the right technology comes in. With a next generation ATS like the new talent base, which we use in all our companies, you can automate updates and communication. Every time a vacancy status changes or a candidate status is updated, they are automatically informed. But great candidate handling goes beyond just preventing ghosting. It's about building strong, lasting relationships with your candidates. When you create a positive bond with each candidate, you gain loyalty, referrals, and a larger network of high-quality candidates. This leads to more placements in less time, every recruiter's dream. It all starts with gratitude. Remember, your candidates are the source of your salary. No candidates, no placements, no income. So be thankful when someone takes the time to apply. And here's what your candidates want, and it's exactly how you want to be treated as well. Reply to their emails promptly. Answer their phone calls without delay. Understand their needs. Their career, salary, and often their family's well-being is at stake. Keep them informed at every stage of the process. Support them with their requests and concerns. Be fair, transparent, and honest. Provide results, even if they are not what the candidate hopes for. If you want your candidates to stay committed and loyal to you, you need to show the same commitment to them. It's a two-way street. What you give is what you get. Start giving more and you will see your candidates giving back. This is the path to big-time success in recruitment. If you're ready to revolutionize your candidate handling, take a closer look at how new talent base and Stack can help you streamline the process. Click the link for a free demo and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies to boost your recruitment success. Thanks for watching, and here is to your success. Looking forward to having you with me in the next video.
The People Republic is you and me. Love and beauty is all you'll see.
Thank you for watching this episode, filled with valuable insights into recruitment and sales. To dive deeper, visit Gerard Koolen's blog, Mr.Recruitment.com, and follow him on LinkedIn. Don't forget to check his blog for detailed show notes and exclusive resources from this video. And remember, it's action that transforms goals into results.